When it comes to our appearance, we may have the most exquisite outfit in the world, but there are certain things that can let us down. Things that I'm guilty of, things that you're probably guilty of too. Today I'm sharing with you 8 biggest beauty mistakes that completely ruin our look. If you're ready, let's get started. Now, it has to be said that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but the fact of the matter is when somebody walks into the room and they look stunning, it's generally an overall picture that also includes their hair, makeup, nails, their skin, not just the outfit that they've walked in with. So the first mistake that I see women over 40, over 50, over 60 making is heavy makeup. As we get older, our features change, and heavy makeup can make us look older, can make us look tired, and can give the wrong impression. Having a tweak with your makeup is such an easy thing to do. I do makeup tutorials often on my other channel, which I'm going to link here, but honestly, it could be as simple as changing your matte foundation to a thinner, more dewy foundation. Skin changes as we get older. We can look a little grey, we can even look a little yellow. So our colour palette needs to be changed too. As we get older, our skin is more crepey, fine lines and wrinkles are more defined. I have them all under my eyes. I can't wear the same foundation or concealer that I wore when I was 21. It simply looks cakey and makes me look older. Number 1 tip, get your makeup looked at by a professional. Go to one of the counters in Sephora, in Boots the Chemist in the UK. They're trained as professionals to help you look good. Go and have your makeup done and get a refresh. That's my tip number 1. The second thing that I see all the time with women that are maturing is heavy eyebrows, particularly tattooed eyebrows. Now, the truth is, in the last 5-10 years, eyebrow tattoos have become mainstream. Personally, I have never had my eyebrows tattooed. I dabbled with microblading, but the fact of the matter is that unless you go to somebody that is an artist, you could come out looking like something from a cartoon. And nobody wants that. Now, eyebrows shape the face. They are one of the first things that you can see from across the road. You know, when a woman has very thick, black, penciled in eyebrows, it looks older. It makes you look aged, and it's too harsh. Tattooed eyebrows are even worse because we can't simply wash them away. The truth of the matter is that as we get older, eyebrow hair does tend to thin and diminish. So it's very tempting, therefore, to get them done permanently. Tattooed eyebrows in the hands of a skilled artist can look sensational, but all tattoos fade. And with the wrong colour pigment, tattoos can fade black, blue, orange, yellow, purple, and every colour in between. Definitely not natural. So I would suggest you look at alternatives. The second point that I want to make under facial tattoos is eyeliner. Eyeliner tattoos can look fabulous at the beginning, but they bleed. And by that, I mean they start to smudge out. I've seen some horrendous eyeliner tattoos in my 30 years as an esthetician. And let me tell you, when they do go, and I think they call it blown or balloon, they often can seep right under the eye, making us look even more tired. I personally would steer clear of an eyeliner tattoo. I don't think it's actually worth it. I think that an eyeliner crayon or a kajal is absolutely fine in this department. So that's my second tip. Steer clear of black, dark, tattooed eyebrows and find a professional that can help you with either an alternative or somebody that is an artist in the field of eyebrow tattoo. My next tip is our hair. Now, I do have my hair highlighted. At the moment, it's okay. I don't need my roots doing. Give it a few more weeks, my roots are going to look dark and it can make my appearance look a little less put together. Having a great colour, having a great cut can really go a long way in making us look not only well turned out, well groomed and stylish, but younger too. When it comes to colour, think about what you're opting for. Again, are you opting for colours that you really loved when you were in your 20s and 30s? Because they probably don't suit your skin colour anymore. We do change. Our skin tone and texture changes along with our hair texture too. As we hit our perimenopause, menopause and beyond, Often our hair is a little drier, it can feel wiry and it can thin. Making sure that you seek a professional once again and get a good colour analysis. Now, I'm not saying you have to have a dramatic haircut, but if you are stuck in a rut, if you're wearing the same hair as you did 20, 30 years ago, then it's probably time for a change. The next biggest mistake I see women over 40 doing is chasing youth by the use of injectable fillers. Honestly, it's gone too far, and I'm not against injectables. At the end of the day, I've had a career out of aesthetics for over 30 years. However, I refuse to treat women with filler when all they want is to go bigger, bigger and bigger. I really believe that huge lips, great augmented cheeks, jawlines that literally do not exist outside of filler really can age us. We've all seen women that just look a little bit strange, a little bit odd, and it's often because they've got too much dermal filler injected. We need to really seriously consider whether we are on the right path, because an overdone face can ruin the whole look. Your style, your clothes, your hair, your makeup can all be absolutely wonderful. But if you look overdone with the injectables, with too much Botox, that can make you look older, and it can make us look a little bit, dare I say it, desperate to hold back the hands of time. The next thing I want to talk about is dear to my heart, and it's teeth. I lived for too many years with crooked, gappy teeth, and I hid behind a smile. And it wasn't just my fault or the lack of responsibility to go and seek the advice of an orthodontist. It was because I had traumatic experiences with bad dental practice when I was much younger, which gave me a total phobia. Now, I had too many extractions, which of course at the time in the early 80s was a popular thing to do in the UK, that is. I know that the States, the US, you were right on it with orthodontics. I have to say, I only wish I did live in America in the early 80s because I wouldn't have suffered such horrendous care. When I hit my 40s, my teeth started to separate much more because I had had so many unnecessary extractions. When I hit my 50s, enough was enough. I sought the advice of an incredible orthodontist that straightened my teeth and fixed the damage that I thought was unfixable and permanent. I want to urge you and say your smile is so incredible. A smile lights up the room. A smile lights up your face and your outfit. It has a significant part to play in how others perceive you. Getting your teeth looked after, straightened or cleaned is so important, and it's never too late. I got my teeth straightened at the grand old age of 53. Now, let me tell you, I'm 56 in April, and it was the best decision I have made probably forever. I seriously think it is. It gave me the confidence to make my YouTube channels. I have been a teacher for many, many years, but I hated to see myself on video. I work within the beauty, aesthetics and fashion industries. Can you imagine my smile? I used to smile a very shallow smile without showing my teeth. Now I love my teeth. I have some more work to be done, but I'm not afraid of smiling. Get your teeth cleaned, get any little damages sorted, get any crooked gaps fixed. I'm telling you, it will be well worth the investment and you will love yourself for doing this little tweak. The next thing that I want to talk about is so timely. It's about our nails and getting them fixed. Honestly, girls, how dare I? I haven't been able to get into my nail technician and my nails look dreadful. So much so that I'm hiding my hands. Get your nails fixed. If you've got chipped nails, get an appointment with a nail technician. It's incredible. We use our hands all the time. Every day we're out. We're exchanging money. We're exchanging our cards. We're speaking on the phone. People notice your hands. It is part of our style. It's part of our look. It's part of our beauty routine. Take pride in your hands. I know it can be expensive. You don't need to have gel nails. You don't need to go and see a professional. You could simply make sure that your nails are clean, filed and look tidy. I think well manicured hands are really important and they make us look like we care about our appearance. Get your nails done, girls. You will be so grateful you did. I know, I can't wait to get mine done this afternoon. The next mistake that you may be making in your beauty appearance is wearing too heavy earrings. Earrings are one of the things I adore, but I have quite large earlobes, so I have to be careful with the weight of the earrings that I'm wearing. My husband got me these beautiful diamond studs for Christmas and I adore them. If I wear anything that's heavy, like a big hoop or a big dangly chandelier earring, it can actually pull my earlobe down and it looks old. It makes my ears look older. Now, the ears, for whatever reason, do show the signs of aging as we get older. And if we wear heavyweight earrings, it tends to stretch our piercing hole, which does look older. I do want to encourage you to perhaps choose earrings that are a little less heavy. They can be dangly, they can be hoops, but you don't want anything that's too big, too loud, and too heavy. Your ears are part of your face, they're part of your head, and therefore they're part of your appearance. When you walk in a room, when you're out and about, people will notice when you've got big earrings that are dragging down your earlobes. My final tip is super important. It doesn't matter what makeup you use, it doesn't matter what moisturizer you use. If you don't follow this simple tip, nothing is going to work or look its best. And that is, you need to exfoliate your skin. A good skincare routine is so crucial in your appearance. When it comes to applying makeup, unless your skin has been prepared and you have a really good canvas, nothing's going to sit very well, nothing's going to look really very good. So what I suggest you do is get an exfoliant. There are so many on the market. You don't want anything too abrasive. A liquid exfoliant like a BHA is perfect for every other day use. It's going to remove dead, hardened skin cells. And let me explain. When we get older, our skin doesn't turn over the way that it did when we were in our 20s and 30s. Therefore, we have compacted, dry, dead skin cells sitting on the surface of our skin. This actually prevents any of your skincare products from being absorbed. Yes, you might have used the most expensive cream in the world and you probably aren't getting the benefits of it. You probably have actually used products yourself and thought, well, that didn't work. But the fact is, the product wasn't to blame. Your preparation was to blame. You didn't exfoliate those dead skin cells off of your skin to allow the product to be absorbed. If we haven't got a clean canvas with fresh skin cells, nothing works. Nothing is going to look very good. So this is my final tip. Your skin is your canvas. It is the basis, the foundation of looking good. And I have to say that if you use a really good exfoliant a couple of times a week, you are going to see an incredible improvement in not only your skin, but your makeup application, your confidence, and your overall general appearance. Never neglect the skin, girls. Now, my whole skincare channel is here. I do recommend you go and subscribe. I talk about skincare and beauty all the time. It's for women over 50. Giving you my 30 years of experience as a medi-esthetician. So that's it. Those are my 8 biggest mistakes I see women making all of the time over the age of 40. Things that are easily sorted, easily fixed. Remember, heavy eyebrows do age us. They make us look older and it is a very hard, harsh look. Getting your makeup done so you have a softened look, perhaps having your colours done. Remember to think about your skincare. It's so important. If we haven't got that canvas sorted, everything else really just doesn't look that great. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I love making these videos for you. Remember, when it comes to style, elegance and fashion, how we look, our beauty is part of that package too. If you love this video, you'll love my other channel. Go and have a look. I have absolutely jam-packed it with videos just for you, all about beauty, looking good, feeling fabulous. Until the next video, bye for now.